Hey, what is up guys, my name is Noor and in today's video we're going to talk about how we can remove objects inside of Photoshop. The object may be a person, a car or a motorcycle that you want to remove from your photo. So there are two simple steps of doing that, so we'll do them in Photoshop right now. So watch and learn how to do that. So let's get started and go to the computer right after the editing. See you in the computer. So right now I'm in Photoshop and the photo has been loaded to my Photoshop application. So what we have to do right now is we have to actually remove this part, the subject from this picture, so that we can get a clear view of this landscape, right? So we can get a clear view of the stairs and the grass right here. As if we were taking a picture of the ground itself, right? So for doing that, what you have to do is first of all make some selections. So go to the lasso tool and select the polygon lasso tool from here, right? So after that, what you have to do is there are actually two ways of doing that. The same thing means first of all you can do it the fast way, which is what we are currently doing right now, and the second one is the very efficient way and very preferred way, right? So as a demonstration means how you can do it very fastly, I'm going to tell you this method, but we will do the serious method as well. So first of all, what you have to do is make a selection of this place. After you've done selecting this place, what you have to do is first of all copy this layer, and let's see if it's selected or not. Yeah, it's selected. And then what you have to do is again press V on your keyboard to select the move tool, and then what you do is go to edit and then fill. So what it does is it fills the selected area with things you want, right? So it may be the foreground color, the background color, or any color you want to choose. You can actually replace this part of the image with that color, or any pattern. You may have history of the pattern that you want to actually apply, or the content aware, which we are going to apply right now, because it will look around for the pixels here on the image, and then it will replace this part of the image with the redesigned or reconfigured pixels from around this place, right? So after that it will be grassy, and these will look like that, as we can see the stairs from behind this person. So what we have to select is content aware, and then the options, the color adaptation option should be checked, and then in the blending options what you have to do is select the blending mode to normal and then opacity to 100%, and then don't check the preserve transparency, and then press OK, and you will see the magic, right? So after that, what will happen is that this part of the image, this part right here, will be removed by Photoshop, and it will be reconfigured according to the pixel around this image, right? So now you can see that the person is gone and it's all grassy, and this part is all stairs. So this is a quite fantastic way of doing that, right? So now you can press Ctrl+D to deselect again, and now you cannot see any difference between this part and this part where the subject lies, right? So these are the stairs, and this is the part of the grass that you just created, right? So if you want to see the differences, what you have to do is just hide this layer right here, and you can see that this is the subject here right now, and after the filter, the content aware filter, the subject is removed, and you can get a clear view of the landscape, right? So after that, if you want to do some editing, some color adjustments, you can do that. So first of all, let's go to the adjustment tab and increase the brightness and contrast, right? So the picture will look better itself, bit contrasty, and then again to the adjustment panel, levels, and then it's quite nice image, by the way. Now you can see that this is absolutely fine. Now go back to the adjustments tab again, then go to the curves, and the best known curve so far is the S curve. You can apply on any of your image to make it look better, any landscape. If you use the S curve, which is these are the highlight areas, these are the mid-tone areas in the middle, and these are the shadow areas down in the bottom, right? So if you want to fade away the shadows, just drag it up and the shadows will be faded away, and it will make it more clearer. And let's fade away some shadows and also some highlights. So the midtones are now very appealing. So it's a very great picture right now. After that, just go to the vibrance or the exposure. I think it's a bit overexposed, so what we'll do is decrease the exposure somehow to 0.03, and then we'll go back again to the adjustments tab, and then from there we'll select vibrance. So let's make it a bit vibrant, and let's somehow decrease the color situation because it looks, no, it's fine. I think it's fine. So now we'll go back to the color balance or hue situation. Let's not mess up this thing. And then the color balance, white, black and white, photo filter, color mix here, and then I think this is done. This is not a adjustments tutorial. This is just the how to remove the subject from any picture and make it look like a landscape or anything you want, right? So after that, what you have to do is just flatten down the image so that you can it will be of very less size. Okay, and now you can see that the size has reduced to 22.8 megabytes, which was about 44 megabytes previously. Now to export this image, what you have to do is go to file and go to export and export as. Now the window will be here for actually exporting this picture out. So what we have to do is select the JPEG, extension for this image with 100% of its quality, right? So after that, press export all. Now the size has reduced to 9.1 MB, which is quite fantastic. You can upload it onto your socials, including your Instagram, your Facebook, your other other kind of tools that you're using for your photography or your anything that you want. So this is done here with the computer. Allow me to again add my PC. So let's add some other names so that it would not replace the other picture. Save. Now it's then exporting the picture, right? So this is how you remove anything from Photoshop, guys. I hope you did enjoy the video, and if you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to comment, share and like the video, and also watch other videos about Photoshop and photo editing in mobile phone and other videos related to technology. So I'll see you again in the next video with a brand new topic. Till then, it's a goodbye and keep care of yourself and peace out. Goodbye.